So children, now we'll see another point, that is on coefficient, correct? And before that we should know, for example, you see twice x square plus 2x, sorry, x square plus 2x, correct? So it has got two terms, one is x square and the other one is twice x, understood? So x square is one term and twice x is the other term. Huh? And in this case again you see thrice y square plus 5y plus 7. So how many terms it has got? It has got three terms, correct? 3y square, 5y and 7. So children, I hope you understood about the terms. Again you can see here there are four terms are here, correct? Now if you understood about the terms, let us see about the coefficient. Okay, check these terms or the algebraic expression. Minus x cube, correct, plus 4x square plus 7x minus 2. Now tell me from here, what is the coefficient of x square? Correct? What is the coefficient of x square? So coefficient of x square will be the number in front of x square. So what is the number in front of x square? That is 4. Correct? So the coefficient of x square is 4. I hope this point is clear. Next you see, if they will ask what is the coefficient of x cube, this point you see x cube. Now again you check in front of x cube any number is there. If there is no any number, you take it as minus 1. Since minus is there, na, you take it as minus 1. So what will be the coefficient of x cube? That will be minus 1. Okay children, if they are asking you, if a question is asked to you that what is the coefficient of x, correct, where I have ticked, have you seen x? Now you check in front of x which number is there, that is 7. So coefficient of x is 7. Is it okay children? And if they are asking the coefficient of x to the power of 4, but here there is no x to the power of 4, correct? So you can write there 0. Since x to the power of 4 is not present in this algebraic expression, so your answer will be only 0. So children, I hope you understood about these points, coefficient. So children, we'll see another important term here, that is the degree of a polynomial. Have you seen here? The degree of the polynomial. So what is the degree of the polynomial? So when an algebraic expression has been given to you, and in this algebraic expression you can check here 5y to the power of 6 minus 4y square minus 6. It has got three terms. Okay. Now if they are asking what is the degree of this algebraic expression, then you check the variables with highest exponent. So what is the highest exponent in this algebraic expression? 6. Correct? So 6 is the degree of the polynomial. So children, I hope you understood the degree of polynomial. So let us see one more example. The degree of non-zero constant polynomial. Non-zero constant polynomial. So which is the degree of non-zero constant polynomial? Now you see, in this case 6 is what? Non-zero, correct? But it doesn't have any type of exponent and there is no any variable also. Okay, so the answer will be 0. In that case the value would be 0. So therefore the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Okay children? Now let us see about linear polynomial. Okay, linear polynomial. So what does it mean? A linear polynomial, you will find that any of the expression where the variables exponent should be 1. So here you see 4x plus 5, correct? So x doesn't have any type of exponent here. So you take it as 1. If there is no any exponent, you take it as 1. Understood? So there is another example here. Qy is equal to twice y. So y is the variable. And here there is no any exponent, you take it as 1. Understood? So if any of the expression where the variable's exponent is 1, okay, variable's exponent is 1, we call it as linear polynomial. Okay children, is it clear? It is known as linear polynomial and we represent in this form, correct? So linear polynomial will be represented as ax plus b. So this is the general formula for linear polynomial. Okay children? So let us see one more important term, that is quadratic polynomial. Is it okay? We call it as what? Quadratic polynomial. For example, you see the expression twice x square plus 5. Again you check the variable and its exponent. If the exponent is 2, it is known as quadratic polynomial. One more example you see here, 5x square plus thrice x. So here also you will find the variable x is having the highest exponent, that is 2. So if the variable's exponent is 2, we call it as quadratic polynomial. So one more example you can see here, just x square. So x is the variable and 2 is what? It is the exponent. So it is known as quadratic polynomial. And in this another example you see x square plus 2 by 5x. So here you will find x is having an exponent of 2. So it is also known as quadratic polynomial. So children, I hope it is clear. So children, quadratic polynomial is written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Correct? Quadratic polynomial is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the general form of quadratic polynomial. So children, is it clear? Next you see cubic polynomials. Correct? So what do you mean by cubic polynomial? If an expression where the variable is having an exponent of 3, correct? Exponent of 3, it is known as cubic polynomial. See one more example, twice x cube plus 1. So here the variable x is having an exponent of 3. So it is known as cubic polynomial. 5x cube plus x square, correct? So here also you check the variable x, it has got exponent as 3. It is also known as cubic polynomial. Again you check, see always you check the highest exponent. Understood, na? So here also the highest exponent is 3. So it is known as cubic polynomial. Correct? And the general formula for cubic polynomial is given here. That is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Correct? Ax cube plus bx plus d. Sorry, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this is the general formula for cubic polynomial. So children, I hope these points are clear for you. So children, now we'll learn what are monomial and binomial. Any algebraic expression having a single term, we call it as monomial. For example, twice x square, monomial. Y to the power of 4, that is also monomial. X, Y, Z, that is also monomial because it has got a single term. Then what is binomial? Binomials are algebraic expression having two terms, x plus y, first term and second term. So we call it as binomial. Or x square minus 3 having two terms, first and second. So it is known as binomials. X minus y to the power of 50, that is also known as binomials since it has got only two terms. So children, I hope you understood these points.